In this video, I'll show you how you can check your Steam linked accounts. Now, first step is you need to go into your Steam right here. Now, secondly, what you're going to do is you're going to find help. You're going to click on it, go to Steam support. From in here, you're going to scroll down and find Steam client. Go to offline mode and then contact Steam support. Now, the only way so far that you can check it is by either if you remember the email plus the password for the account, but probably you don't. So what you have to do here is you have to contact the Steam. You're just gonna tell them, hey, I want to see which accounts are linked, then give them your email. So that's basically the only way that you can do it right now on Steam, and I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.